There she is, St. Mary's Falls. I can't believe I finally made it. This thing is a lot higher than it looks. And my heart feels like it's beating out of my chest.
Why does it look so much higher up here?
Alright, this is it.
It's so cold! What's up guys, this is Eddie, and today I'm gonna be cliff jumping for the very first time. Alright guys, so last week I didn't get a chance to make a travel video, so this week I promised myself that I would do something that I've never actually done before. Alright, so Tendai suggested that we go pick peaches, eat donuts, drink apple cider, and hang out on a farm.
Boring!
But I was like, nah, we could definitely find something a bit crazier to do. So, this is what we decided to do. However, we did decide to compromise, so this week we're gonna jump off a cliff into a pool of water. Next week we're gonna go pick peaches. I think that's the deal, right? Mm-hmm. That's the deal. Alright, so where we're headed today is an area known as St. Mary's Falls, which is located in George Washington National Forest. What? Dogs? Oh shit! Yo, this trail is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Oh my gosh. I think the initial coldness of the water, that's what freaked me out. I was like, oh my god, that was so fun. But it's so cold. It's so cold. Yo, that first jump absolutely took my breath away because the water is freezing. Like, it's 90 degrees today, but the water is absolutely cold. So I jumped in and I swear I couldn't breathe for like 5 seconds. Then I finally came to the surface And I gotta admit, it's fun. It's fun, but I've jumped like 3 or 4 times, and I think it's a wrap. I think the initial jump is like 30 feet, 30 or 40 feet. So if anyone is in the Virginia area and has a bit more time to do this during the summer, I highly recommend it. You guys will definitely enjoy yourselves. Come when it's hot, or else the water will be freezing like it is today. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll talk to you later. All right? Peace.